Hello everybody, myself Ashish Das. Welcome to my YouTube channel ATS Tech Info. In this video, I will show how to use WordPad. First of all, we have to open WordPad. The process is click on Start, then find out WordPad, where WordPad is installed. Find out the program WordPad, or you can simply type WordPad in the run box. WordPad search box. Here is WordPad. Click on it. And we have to maximize it by clicking on maximize button. Here is maximize button. Click on it. The screen will be maximized. Then this is the WordPad window. First, this is the title bar in which there is written that document WordPad, and this is the file, home and view tab in the menu bar, and these are the toolbar. First of all, the first bar is title bar, next bar is your menu bar, and third one is the toolbar. And this is the writing space. White space is the writing space. This is the status bar, and this is the zoom. How to zoom? This is zoom in and this is zoom out. Here we can type the text. I can type my channel's name, ATS Tech Info. Then we can select it. How to select? Press the shift button, and we have to press shift button and the arrow key. Here we can press the right arrow or left arrow. Left arrow you can press. As your requirement, you can press left or right arrow. Then we can to increase the size, we have to press shift and control and greater than simultaneously. Control shift greater than, and control shift less than means to decrease the size. And by mouse we can select the text. Then this is where you can have the increasing font size or decreasing font size. The smallest font size appear is 8 and the large is 72. Here we can select any 28. Then if you want to have the text in the middle, then you have to press Ctrl plus E to have the text in middle. It is the middle alignment, center alignment. And left alignment, for left alignment press Ctrl L. For right alignment, Ctrl R. And for justify, Ctrl J. Justify means left alignment plus right alignment. Then for bold, we have to press B, and for italic we have to press I. For underline we have to press underline button U. B for bold, I for italic and U for underline. And make sure that the text is selected before applying the bold, italic or any application or any font change you can apply after the selection. Then how to copy and how to paste. First select the text, then right click on it, then click on cut. It will be cut, and go to the place where you want to paste it. Then in that position, right click and click on paste. The text is cut from this place and it will be pasted in this new place. It is the cut. And how to copy? Select the text, then right click, copy, click on copy, then go to the new place and right click here and click on paste. This is the copy paste. And what is the shortcut for cut? Shortcut for cut is Ctrl X, and shortcut for copy is Ctrl plus C, and shortcut for paste is Ctrl plus V. We have to remember it. If you want to write the formula of water, how to write? First, you have to, if you want to write here, then the formula of water is H2O, you know, H2O. Is it the correct formula? It is not the correct formula. H subscript to and O is the correct formula of water. How to do it? First of all, we have to select 2. Then we have to go to toolbox. Here is subscript, X2 subscript. It will be in smaller size and in the below. This is the correct formula of water, H2O. And how to do it without using mouse? What is the shortcut key? The shortcut key is, first of all, select 2, then Control and plus is the shortcut key. Control plus. And if you want to write a formula, mathematical formula, I will write A plus B and square. How to write square? A plus B square. First of all, we have to select the 2. We have to select 2. Then here is superscript. Superscript means square. Then how to do it by keyboard? Select 2, then Control Shift and plus. Control Shift plus. And total formula is equal to, what is the formula? Formula is A square plus B square plus 2AB. First of all, select 2, then Control Shift plus, then select second 2, then Control Shift plus, then it is the correct formula. How to color it? Select the text. Then here is, you can color, text color. Red color you can give. You can give any color as your requirement. You can give the yellow color. First of all, select the text. Then go to text color. Then you can apply the color. Blue color you can give. This is the left alignment. This is the center alignment. This is the right alignment. This is the justify. If you want to write here, I am a boy. Here the text are in bold, italic as well as underlined. To deactivate bold, you have to select, then click on bold. It will be by pressing bold B. By pressing B, it will be activated, and again pressing B, it will be deactivated. Then it will be the normal size, and then your underline. It will deactivate the underline. Then if I want to find out boy word in between this line, then we have to apply the find. That means this is find. Click on find. Then you have to write the finding word. What to find? Boy. Then find next. It will find the boy. And if more times it is repeated, then it will find one by one. Then click on cancel. Then what is the shortcut for find? Control plus V. Control plus V is the shortcut for find. Then you have to type the text, type the word, then click on find. And how to replace boy with girl? First we have to click on replace. Then there is the replace window. In this replace window, there is find what. That means you have to type the finded word, that means the boy, and replace with means I want to write in place of boy girl. That means you have to type girl, replace word. Then to replace, you can click on replace, and replace all means all the text which are written in boy, then all will be converted to girl. Here is one. That means it is converted I am a girl. Then click on cancel, and select multiple lines. Then here is a option for your line gap. That means line spacing. This is 1.15 line spacing is applied. If you want to 1.0, then click on it. Then if you want to increase the line size, line gap, then click on 1.5. Here is the gap increase. Then again click, and 2 means the gap will be increased. Again 1 means the gap will be decreased. Line gap. In this complete session, I have show you how to increase the size, how to decrease the size, how to bold, italic, underline, and what is subscript, what is superscript, how to color the text, and your alignment. That means left alignment, right alignment, then center alignment, and also justify. Justify means left plus right. And here find, replace. For find, the shortcut key is Control plus V, and for replace, the shortcut key is Control plus H. This is all about your WordPad, and in the next video I will elaborately explain other application of WordPad. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you have the latest updates, and also like and share the video to your near and dear. Thank you.